Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fight with a morning star. First, familiarize yourself with its distinct characteristics, like its extended reach and the devastating impact of its spiked head. A balanced stance is crucial. Keep your feet roughly 18 inches apart for stability. Grip the handle with both hands, one near the base and the other higher up, ensuring a firm but flexible hold. This allows for powerful swings and quick adjustments. Your ready stance should distribute your weight evenly, preparing you for both offense and defense. Practice agile footwork, moving laterally and forward to control distance and positioning. Never stand still. Keep the morning star in constant, controlled motion. This creates a psychological deterrent and makes you a harder target to predict. Think of it as a dynamic extension of your arm, always ready to strike or defend. When striking, generate power from your core, executing wide, arcing swings. Aim for vulnerable areas such as the head, knees, or hands to quickly incapacitate an opponent. The chain's flexibility is a key advantage. Use it to create unpredictable attacks, whipping the spiked ball around shields or other defenses. Practice these movements slowly at first, focusing on control and precision before increasing your speed and power. For defense, the handle can effectively parry incoming blows, absorbing impact and redirecting attacks. Always maintain acute situational awareness, anticipating your opponent's moves and reacting swiftly. Remember, defense is not just about blocking, it's about creating openings for your next offensive move. And speaking of reading, if you love a good story, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Stay safe and keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.